Hi, this is John from johnmichaelmarketing.com, and before I reveal to you one very popular website, even featured on the Forbes, that pays very good money for super simple tasks that you can do from a computer or even a mobile phone, and accepts people from almost all around the world, I quickly invite you to click on the link in the description box right here below this video so you can get instant access to my #1 recommendation to working online. And if you're excited to see what's coming up, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, selecting the bell icon so you can get notified every single time we launch a new video on different ways how you can make money online and work from home. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right to it. So this is the second video that I'm doing about this company after a lot of requests. So the company is called User Testing. So how does this work? Alright, so it says here, get paid $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User Testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts aloud. So that's it in a nutshell. I'm going to go to all the details in a second. So user testing, for those of you who are wondering if it's legit, if it's good, it's been featured here on Forbes. You can look it up if you want. User testing, which x-rays 30,000 sites, raises 45.5 million via Excel. So it says here, founded in 2007, user testing has enjoyed booming demand for its services lately, with companies such as Google, Facebook, Home Depot, and Verizon Wireless. So these are their clients. So I'm going to go on here just so you can see another article from the Forbes. So it says about user testing. The company has over 20,000 customers, which include biggies like Twitter, LinkedIn. User testing is also part of Facebook's new starter program called Facebook Start. So we're talking about a huge company here, okay, if you're wondering if it's legit. Now let's go into the actual FAQs. That's going to cover a lot of people's questions. So, do I have to pay to be a user tester? No. Okay. It's absolutely free to sign up and join. All you come here is you go to usertesting.com. The link is below. You enter your email address. You click here, sign me up. Okay. You're going to complete then a short test. And depending on the result from that test that you're going to complete, they're going to determine if you qualify to work for user testing or not. Okay, so there is no guarantee that you're going to get hired, of course. What you need is a PayPal account. If you have a PayPal account and you pass the test, you have chances to get hired. And they pay very good money. How much do I get paid and when do I get paid? Okay, so testers get paid $10 for each completed test. A test consists of 20-minute recording and answers to 4 follow-up written questions. Now it says here, just keep that in mind, okay, very rarely, less than 1% of the time, a client may ask for a refund because they're dissatisfied with the user. You don't get paid when this happens, okay, just to make that clear. If the client is not happy, you're not going to get paid. But statistically, according to user testing, that happens less than 1% of the time. So payments are made daily for jobs completed 7 days earlier. So how soon will I be able to start doing paid tests? As I told you before, if your sample test is approved, you'll start receiving emails notifying you about testing opportunities. New tests are posted daily, so you have to check your inbox. Okay, once you get approved, check your inbox because they're going to tell you when there are new opportunities. You got to grasp the new opportunities. So what kind of device do I need? You can either use a PC or Mac that meet these requirements, and these are the requirements. Okay, the link to the FAQ is below this video in the description. And for mobile tests, your device will need to meet these requirements. So this is for iOS, an iPhone, or Android. All right, so you can do tests on your computer or laptop and also from a phone, which is really cool. Do I need a microphone to be a user tester? Yes. If you don't have a microphone, here's an inexpensive one that we recommend. Do I need to download anything? Yes, you'll need to download the screen recorder onto your computer when you apply to become a tester. PayPal is the only way that they pay. So if you don't have a valid PayPal account or if your country doesn't support PayPal, don't bother applying. You need to have PayPal because that's how they're going to pay you. Are my payments taxed? User testing does not withhold any taxes from payments. Testers are responsible for determining any tax liabilities incurred from payments received by user testing. So whatever they tell you you're going to get paid, that's how much you're going to get paid. Tax is your business. Do I have to be in the United States to do testing? No, but you need to reside in a country that can accept PayPal payments. See if your country is listed here. So you're going to click on the link to show you all the countries. So basically saying, if you have a PayPal account, you can work for user testing. How to apply? The application process is simple. Complete a short sample test and fill out some basic demographic information. Apply to be a tester here. Okay, and if you click here, it's going to take you right there where you're going to enter your email address. You're going to hit continue and you can apply, which you can do also actually from here, from the user testing website. So email address, sign me up. So that's it in a nutshell. In this video, I just covered the FAQ because it answers a lot of the questions that you've been asking me. It is a great opportunity, user testing, for you to get started. It doesn't require any experience. All that you need to do is to have the PayPal account, just to recap, pass their short test, and you can start getting jobs. Now, just to make this thing clear, it's not a full-time job. Don't go and quit your job to do this. Okay, it's an extra income, but it's a very good extra income. Like $10 in 20 minutes of work is really, really good money. And you can do it from a laptop, from your phone, from anywhere you want, from anywhere in the world, pretty much. All right, so hope that clears a lot of your questions. If you got value, please smash the like button for me, subscribe to my channel, selecting the bell icon so you can get notified whenever we launch a new video on different ways how you can work online, earn an extra income from home. And before you leave, don't forget to click on that link right here below this video in the description so you can get instant access to my #1 recommendation to working online. So thank you very much for watching. John Michael signing off. Looking forward to seeing you on our next video.